हेलो एवरीवन गाइस। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ डिटर्मिनर्स मतलब AHSSC बोर्ड के मतलब असम बोर्ड के जितने भी डिटर्मिनर्स है एचएस फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए 2003 से 2023 तक। और आप इससे ये भी कह सकते हो कि मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट डिटर्मिनर्स जितने भी है एचएस फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम के फाइनल के लिए वो मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। और कल के जो एग्ज़ाम है आपका इंग्लिश उसके लिए भी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डिटर्मिनर्स मैं इस वीडियो में अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल अभी तक विज़िट नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ विज़िट करके देखिए। यहाँ पर डिटर्मिनर्स और मॉडल ऑब्जराइज और भी ग्रामर के जितने सारे पोर्शंस हैं वो सब PYQs प्लस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करके रखा हुआ है। तो प्लीज़ एग्ज़ाम में जाने से पहले ये वाला वीडियो एक बार देख लेना। तो चलिए देखते हैं। तो पहले यहाँ पर है एच 2003। वहाँ पर दिया गया है कालिदास इज डैश होमर ऑफ इंडिया। तो यहाँ पर होगा द। उसके बाद है संजय गेव मी डैश 1 रुपी नोट। इसका आंसर है संजय गेव मी ए 1 रुपी नोट। उसके बाद है ही डज नॉट हैव डैश मनी टू बाई ए प्रेजेंट फॉर मीतू। उसका आंसर होगा ही डज नॉट हैव एनी मनी टू बाई ए प्रेजेंट फॉर मीतू। उसके बाद है डैश ऑफ द बॉयज़ was given a pen by their teacher। उसका आंसर है ईच ऑफ द बॉयज़। आई थिंक आप लोगों को पता होगा उसका रीज़न क्या है। इस ईच बहने से पहले उस एनी सम मैनी ए एन दी द फ्यू ए फ्यू फ्यू बैठने से उसका क्या रीज़न है, वो किस सेंटेंस के आगे बैठते हैं। तो अगर आपको ये पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर है तभी जो आप कल फुल मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाओगे। और अगर पूरा क्लियर नहीं है तो इस वीडियो के ज़रिए भी आप फुल मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाओगे अगर आप इस वीडियो के बाद वो जितने भी यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है सारा एक बार रिविजन देते हो। उसके बाद है गांधी जी यूज टू गो फॉर ए वॉक डैश मॉर्निंग। उसका आंसर है गांधी जी यूज टू गो फॉर ए वॉक एवरी मॉर्निंग। ही हैज़ डैश टाइम टू स्पेयर। उसका आंसर होगा ही हैज़ लिटिल टाइम टू स्पेयर। The teacher was very angry as only dash students were present for the unit test। उसका आंसर होगा the teacher was very angry as only a few students were present for the unit test। उसके बाद है he is dash happier than before। उसका आंसर होगा he is much happier than before। उसके बाद है HS 2004 जहाँ पर दिया गया है ही इज डैश MA इन इंग्लिश। उसका आंसर है ही इज़ एन MA इन इंग्लिश। आई सॉ द एक्सीडेंट विथ माई डैश आइज। उसका आंसर है आई सॉ द एक्सीडेंट विथ माई ओन आइज। डैश रिच कैन नॉट बाई हैप्पीनेस विथ देयर मनी। आंसर है द रिच कैन नॉट बाई हैप्पीनेस विथ देयर मनी। डी है डैश हिज फ्रेंड्स deserted him at the hour of need। ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स deserted him at the hour of need। द ओल्ड मैन is strong dash to work। द ओल्ड मैन is strong enough to work। He had dash time to spare as he was hungry in a hurry। उसका आंसर है he had little time to spare as he was in a hurry। डैश मिल्क आई हैड was split। लिटिल ए लिटिल द लिटिल दिया गया है। आंसर है द लिटिल मिल्क आई हैड was split। डैश राघु एंड रीता attended the class। आंसर है both राघु एंड रीता attended the class। HS 2005 डैश बुक डू यू वांट। उसका आंसर है which book do you want। give me dash 1 rupee note। give me a 1 rupee note dash the dash friends he had left him। the few friends he have left him। dash morning my grandmother would go for a walk। every morning my grandfather go for a walk। I have dash time to spare। I have little time to spare। have you lost dash your articles। have you lost any your articles। we proud of dash country। we proud of our country। उसके बाद है HS 2006 डैश ताजमहल इज़ ए हिस्टोरिकल मोनूमेंट। आंसर है द ताजमहल इज़ ए हिस्टोरिकल मोनूमेंट। आई केयर डैश फॉर हिम। आई केयर लिटिल फॉर हिम। जॉन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग डैश टू वर्क। जॉन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एनफ टू वर्क। डैश ऑफ द प्लेयर्स was rewarded by the minister। each of the players। have you lost dash your articles। have you lost any your articles। any of होगा शायद। She found dash 1 rupee coin on the road। She found a 1 rupee coin on the road। The lady in green sari is dash aunt। The lady in green sari is his aunt। Give me dash the pens that you have। Give me all the pens that you have। HS 2007 Kalidas is Dash Homer of India. Kalidas is the Homer of India. He has dash time to spare. He has little time to spare. Gandhiji used to walk for a the Gandhiji uh, used to go for a walk dash morning. Gandhiji used to go for a walk every morning. Do you need dash help from me? Do you need any help from me? Dash Raghu and Rita had attended the function. Both Raghu and Rita had attended the function. Our principal is a man of dash words. उसका आंसर होगा our principal is a man of few words. Sri Lanka is dash island. Sri Lanka is an island. Dash of the boys was given a prize. Each of the boys was given a prize. HS 2008. Dash Brahmaputra flows through Assam. The Brahmaputra flows through Assam. He donated Dash his books to the district library. He donated all his books to the district library. My neighbor is Dash teacher. My neighbor is a teacher. Dash umbrella products protects us from sun and rain. An umbrella protects us from sun and rain. The tall boy is Dash brother. The tall boy is her brother. The child is old to go to school. The child is old enough to go to school. Do you meet Dash of your childhood friends? Do you meet any of your childhood friends? Dash of the students was given a question paper. Each of the students was given a question paper. HS 2009. The patient is strong, dash to go, dash to walk. The patient is strong enough to walk. Sri Lanka is dash island. Sri Lanka is an island. Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Dash of the participants will get certificates. Each of the participants will get certificates. We have very dash information about the situation in Tibet. We have very little information about the situation in Tibet. I remember dash name now. It's Nini. I remember her name now. It's Nini. He heard it with his dash ears. He heard it with his own ears. It is 2010. There were about dash 100 boys in the meeting today. There were about 100 boys in the meeting today. Dash Ganga is a holy river of India. The Ganga is a holy river of India. Mr. Borua is dash NCC officer. Mr. Borua is an NCC officer. Please don't ask me dash questions. Please don't ask me any questions. There is dash water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. Dash players was given a certificate. Each player was given a certificate. Dash brother lives in Delhi. His brother lives in Delhi. HS 2011. We have very dash information. We have very little information. Dash European tourist met me yesterday. A European tourist met me yesterday. Do you have dash complaint against me? Do you have any complaint against me? Dash friends he had have left him. The few friends he had left have left him. Dash knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. HS 2012. There is dash milk in the glass. There is a little milk in the glass. We have very dash information. We have very little information. Kalidas is dash Homer of India. Kalidas is the Homer of India. Could you give me dash examples? Could you give me some examples? Dash people were present there. Many people were present there. HS 2016. We have very dash information. We have very little information. Do you have questions? Do you have any questions? HS 2017. Do you need dash help? Do you need any help? Dash of the boys was given a pen. Each of the boys was given a pen. HS 2018. We had dash time to spare as he was in a hurry. We had little time to spare as he was in a hurry. Do you have dash complaint against the authority? Do you have any complaint against the authority? HS 2019. There is still dash milk in the jug. There is still some milk in the jug. Kamal received dash encouragement from his teachers. Kamal received much encouragement from his teachers. सो यहाँ पर 2019 तक ही है और बाकी का जो है वो मैं धीरे से प्रोवाइड कर दूँगा. सो थैंक्स.